kids, welcome to second standard English grammar class. Today I come with lesson number 22. Lesson name is this, that, these, those. Okay, with the help of grammar workbook I am going to teach you about the use of this, that, these and those. Okay, this we use for नियर थिंग्स. जो चीज़ें पास में हैं उन चीज़ों के लिए हम दिस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड दिस ऑल्सो वी यूज व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंगुलर थिंग्स. मीन्स दिस वी यूज फॉर सिंगुलर थिंग्स एंड नियर. दिस का इस्तेमाल हम पास की चीज़ों और सिंगुलर जिसका क्वांटिटी सिर्फ 1 हो उसके लिए हम दिस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. लुक एट दिस. टेलीफोन इज नियर टू द हैंड. ओके, सो फॉर दिस टेलीफोन वी यूज दिस and the number of telephone is only 1, means this is in singular form, so we can say that this is a telephone. Now look at the next picture. Truck is far away from the hand, so we in this case we use that, that. So that we use for singular things and far things. दूर की चीज़ों और singular things के लिए हम that का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay, so once again I want to tell you this we use for nearby and singular things. That we use for far by and singular things. Okay, look at the definition. In the definition also that is mentioned. This is used for one thing which is nearby. One thing means singular things. This we use for singular things which is nearby, means पास में है. That we used for singular things that is far away. दूर की चीज़ों और सिंगुलर थिंग्स के लिए हम we always use that. Okay, so truck is far away from the hand. That's why in the case of truck we use that is a truck. Okay, so on the basis of our knowledge about this and that we are going to answer the following questions. Look at the questions one by one. Answer the following questions using this or that. This or that का इस्तेमाल करके आपको by using this and that you have to give answer of these questions. Okay, look at the picture. This is the picture of a crab and crab is in singular number. Means only one picture of crab is given and crab is near to the hand, so in this case we use this is a crab. Okay, look at the workbook carefully. The number of crab is 1, that's why before crab I wrote A. So the answer of this question, what is this? This is a crab. Now look at the next picture. This is the picture of cake and cake is far away from the hand, so in this case we use that. Okay, so answer of this question will come that is a cake. Okay, look at the workbook. After explanation I wrote the answer of the question, that is a cake. Now look at the next question. What is this? This picture is near to hand and this is the picture of a sheep. Sheep is near to hand, so in this case we use this. So answer will be this is a sheep. Okay, look, I wrote the answer of the third number question. Now look at the 4 number. What is that? Look at the picture. This is it is a sunflower, and sunflower is far away from the hand. So in this case we use that. This is also in singular number, means here one sunflower picture is. Look at the picture carefully. It is the picture of only one sunflower and it is far away from the hand. So in this case we use that. Okay. So look at the workbook carefully. With explanation, I wrote the answer of the given question. Okay. In next step or with the help of next video, I am going to explain. With the help of next video, I am going to explain the use of these and those of this lesson. Okay, means with the help of two video, I am going to give you question answer of this lesson. After watching video, write the given question answer in your notebook properly with picture. Like this, you also draw picture in your notebook, then write the answer, question answer. Okay, and also don't forget to write the definition of this and that. Look here, this is the use of definition of this, means the use of this, and here the use of that is given. So after watching video, write all things properly in your notebook. Okay.